Here's how to delete your call history on Snapchat. If you've made calls before but want to hide them, I'll show you how to remove them. But first, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks everyone. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Scroll down to find the Private Controls section and tap on Clear Data. From here, select Clear Conversations. You'll see a list of all your conversations. To delete your call history, find the specific conversation, tap the X, and hit Clear. Keep in mind, this will delete the entire conversation, not just your call history. Unfortunately, there's no way to remove only the call history without deleting the whole conversation. And that's it. You're all set.